Imagine a world where every day with pets is filled with comfort, happiness, and affection. But for many pet owners, ensuring their companions stay healthy, happy, and stress-free can sometimes feel overwhelming. From unexpected messes to the challenge of keeping pets entertained and comfortable, the daily grind can be a source of frustration. The Pet World Supplies YouTube channel provides comprehensive pet care and essential solutions designed specifically for loving pet owners like you. This channel shares products frequently needed by pet lovers. From groceries and gourmet treats, Amazon basic pet supplies, new pet supply releases, dog food and treats, cat food and litter, and more. Say goodbye to endless busyness and stress. Enjoy happier, healthier days with your pets, knowing you're providing the best possible care. Because when your pets are happy, your home is filled with love. A problem shared by many pet lovers. Subscribe to Pet World Supplies for a selection of specialty pet supplies. Because every pet deserves to feel loved, comfortable, and cared for today and every day. So, get the products we've provided in the video via the links in the description. Add them to your cart so you don't forget what you need for your pet right now. Product details, along with special offers and prices, can be found via the links in the description. Happy shopping!